Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous 1971 GMC Sierra pickup truck. This is a 1500. This beautiful red and white baby has factory air conditioning. Beautiful American racing wheel, salt flat wheels. On all fours, those are 20 inchers. And powered by a gorgeous sounding, great running, huge 402. Sounds fantastic. And that sound comes off of, we got headers up here and dual exhaust. Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley Carburetor. Chrome valve covers, breather top, aluminum radiator, power steering, power brakes, this front hard disc, ceramic coated headers, beautiful pulley system down there, and make sure you hang out at the end of the video. I have some stills of the little bit better pictures of the engine compartment and the undercarriage. Speaking of the undercarriage, you got to see it. Make sure you hang out for those pictures because it is gorgeous underneath. Clean, built well. Beautiful red interior as far as the carpet. Of course, with some black contrast in there. Red and black houndstooth inserts in the bench seat. It is a column shift. That's a TH400. And again, cold blowing, factory air conditioning. Painted cab. Beautiful carpet in great condition. I mean, door panels. It's a gorgeous truck. I mean, that's all there is to it. This short bed is ready to go right now. 1971 GMC 1500. With the 402, automatic transmission, and factory air. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. Check out all the stills that I have of the not so easy to see on video pictures. Make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and also at the end of the video have a chance to subscribe to us on YouTube, and please do so if you would be so kind. Go to our website, CruisinClassicsInc.com. Check out all the pictures that we have in this video and a detailed description. Or give us a call here. We'd be glad to help you out with anything that we can. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.